Ringo! It's raining a lot now. Griulaki, Diaz, Tommy, Mami, our hero, the old German Shepherd, Max. This is Lana, old Lana. I hope Nala will make it today in the operation, in the surgery. She has not many chances to make it. I'm so sorry. Now this is old Lana. She's very scared of this weather. That's why she's shaking. But she's safe here. I hope that our sweet Nala will make it today. This is Pipi, Paco, Maria, Rocco, Bobby, Tommy. This is Milo, the little Milo. Nino, Bozo, Pipis, Ringo, Anna, Foxy, Paco, Mami, Rocco, Aphrodite, old Aphrodite, Black, Mama. The mama of Black is here to adopt him, and she will spend about a week more, about 10 days with him before she take him home. Mimi, very scared of the thunders. Boo Boo, Lola, Pico, Faith, Booby. This is the brother of Milo, Pino. Again, Ringo. And there is two old ladies. She's deaf. Lady is her name. Very old, maybe 16 or more. Very old. She's deaf. And this is Rania. Very old also. I will show you the goats from here. The goats are down there. No rain for the goats also. They are safe. They are under this building, whatever it is, tent. It's a lot of lighting now. So much rain after months for us. All the dogs safe. And some other people, they have one dog locked in the chain in the rain. And they have a very expensive house to live. This is crazy. Crazy human. Indy. This is Hero. Old, very old Hero. This is Indy. She's looking great. This is the bed of Indy. And this is for Hero. Oh, bless them. Some of Pico is scared of rain. Oh, look at him. So be chicken. Be brave, Pico. Mommy Griulaki. This is Johnny. Grandpa. Ninja Boy. Bonnie. Rocky. We close the door, so now you can see there all the dogs inside. Marco, go in. Don't come outside, don't come. Johnny is very brave, he don't mind about the rain. He's attacking again. Something is going on with my mobile because my mobile got wet, so I have to restart the camera. I don't know if you see something. I have to restart the camera.